When it comes to optimizing Pandas data frames, both ChatGPT and Gemini can offer useful advice, but their approaches differ. ChatGPT tends to provide step-by-step explanations with code examples, focusing on common bottlenecks like vectorization and avoiding loops. Gemini, on the other hand, often suggests more concise, function-based solutions, sometimes leveraging newer Pandas features like the eval and query methods. In a test of merging large datasets, ChatGPT recommended using the merge method with indexes, while Gemini proposed using the join method with pre-sorted columns. Both reduced runtime, but Gemini's suggestion was slightly faster for the specific case. For memory optimization, ChatGPT emphasized downcasting numeric types, while Gemini highlighted using categoricals for string columns. The key takeaway: use ChatGPT for detailed understanding and debugging, and Gemini for quick, efficient code snippets. Your choice depends on whether you're learning or shipping production code.